Hello everyone, welcome back to Java tutorials. This is chapter number 13. In this chapter we are going to discuss the concept Java arrays. Java arrays provides a data structure, the array, which stores a fixed size sequential collection of elements of the same type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of same type. Instead of declaring individual variables such as number 0, number 1, number 2, and so on to number 99, use numbers braces 0, braces 1 to braces 99 to represent individual variables. This tutorial introduces you how to declare array variables, create arrays, and process arrays using indexed variables. Declaring array variable. To use an array in a program, you must declare a variable to reference the array, and you must specify the type of array the variable can reference. Here is the syntax for declaring an array variable. Data type array, array reference variable. Data type, array reference variable with braces. Another example, the following code snippets are examples of this syntax. Double array mylist or double mylist array. Creating arrays. You can create an array by using the new operator with the following syntax. Array reference variable equals new data type array size. The above statement does two things. It creates an array using new data type array size, and it assigns the reference of the newly created array to the variable array reference var. Declaring an array variable, creating an array, and assigning the reference of an array to the variable can be combined in one statement. Alternatively, you can create arrays as follows. As we can see here, data type, array, array reference var, value 0, value 1, and so on to value n. The array elements are accessed through the index. Array indices are based 0. That is, they start from 0 to array reference var dot length 1. Processing arrays. When processing array elements, we often use either for loop or for each loop because all of the elements in an array are of the same type and the size of the array is known. For example, let me show you a quick example on arrays. This example can be found on your document file. Click on compile and execute. So in this we have a double mylist 1.9, 2.9, 3.4 and 3.5. For in I equals 0 and mylist.length, that the length of the array, that's 4. So the loop repeats for 4 times, and each time the first element is printed. The first element is I equal to 0, that's 1.9, and the second time when the loop repeats, the I value is incremented here, and now the I value is 1. The second element in my list is 2.9, which is printed, and so on until 3.5. And the same array used with different functions. The for each loops. Java 1.5 introduced a new for loop known as for each loop or enhanced for loop. which enables you to traverse the complete array sequentially without using an index variable. For example, let me execute an example for each. So for double element mylist, the mylist contains 1.9, 2.9, 3.4 and 3.5. System.out.println element. Compile and execute. And we have all our 4 values printed. So each time the for loop continues, the very first element in the array is printed. Processing array to methods. Passing array to methods. Just as you can pass primitive type values to methods, you can also pass arrays to methods. For example, the following method displays the element in an int array. Let us execute this example. We have an error, could not find a load main class undefined. Well, the error is could not find a load main class as we haven't defined any main class. You can define and try that. The next topic is returning an array from a method. A method also returns an array. For example, the following method returns an array that is the reversal of another array. Public static int reverse int list. Int result new list.length. For int I equals 0, j equal to result.length minus 1, list.length I plus plus j minus minus. Result j, list I, and in the end we return the result, which is the array. Array class java.util.arrays class contains various static methods for sorting and searching arrays, comparing arrays, and filling array elements. These methods are overloaded for all primitive types. That's it for this tutorial. We have discussed the concept of arrays in Java and various different types of arrays and formats that can be used in Java. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial on Java arrays. We'll get back with more tutorials in Java. Until then, have a great day. Thank you.